What is going on, everyone? 4 and 3 Bros back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my truck bed setup. So, boom. We have the Nylite truck bed light kit, and I love it. Also, we have a standard 12-volt socket and a quick USB charging socket there. So I made this about a year ago out of ABS plastic and a couple of switches from Amazon, and I just tied it into the bed light kit. You can kind of see the wiring loom there. It falls from four-wheeling. I just tuck it back in and it's good to go for another couple months. Gotta find a better solution for that, but it works. Yeah, been very happy with this. It is very bright. I'll put a clip at night after this clip. But yeah. So, a piece of ABS plastic with rubber fuel line. It's kind of the trim there, and just keeps water out of it. Haven't had an issue. I wash the truck bed all the time. Rain, doesn't matter. Everything has been holding up great for a year, and I live in New England, so it gets pretty freaking cold. No issues there. It's worked in the cold, it's worked in the wet, no problems. Wiring goes up and out through the other side here. My wiring comes out through the tonneau cover right in the corner of the bed into a wire loom, down the frame into the engine bay, and I haven't had any issues with this like this whatsoever. I've put stuff in the bed all the time, never hit it, never had an issue. So I'm running, I believe, 12 gauge wire, and I'm also using, don't mind my homemade bracket. I made this in December, and I live in New England, so it was cold, but I put this big oversized AGM battery on, which I love. I'm gonna fab up a nice new bracket, but anyway, this is our circuit breaker. So simply push that, it trips it, nothing is gonna work back there. Now, want power again? Boom, just like that, and everything is back on. So I want to make a prettier panel than this at some point, but I just have not gotten around to it. But I've used this for about a year and absolutely have loved it. My truck's 2016 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X. Didn't come with any of the fancy bed lighting or power or anything wild like that, so I made this myself. Pretty cheap. Everything that I use I'll link down below on Amazon, and next is going to be the night shots. Alright guys, it's about 8:45 at night. I get up at 4 a.m. so I'm not going to be out here till 9:30 for it to be pitch black out, but you get the idea. So, you can see, somewhat light, but also dark at the same time. Boom. Yeah. These guys are bright. These guys are bright. And you can see as well, these guys light up nice and bright at night as well. Crazy. But yeah guys, I'm going to post everything that I used to light this bed up and to power the bed in the description below, and that's gonna do it for this one. Like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you on the next one. Later.